Hi, I am Jiska Huizing, a Dutch artist living in Oslo, Norway. I work with various media, a lot with sound. So today I will do a performance of a project called Torn Tracks, where I will play two pieces of that project, which uses field recordings that I make in various places, which sometimes are combined with voice and violin. So today it will be violin and field recordings.
So I'm Mathias, I'm from Denmark. I make hyperrealistic narratives that is site-specific, meaning that I go to places, I record field recordings, record stories, and I've kind of twist them into a 20-minute performance.
Are you my murderer?
What we're going to experience today is field recordings from Zagreb. So we have everything from the market, for the church, going around in Zagreb to cars, cafes. We have the museum, contemporary museum of Zagreb, recordings from here. We went to a workshop this week, also recorded some snippets from here. So it's very much based in this reality of field recordings. But then I start to fantasize in this world. So I have these inner monologues. I go and talk to myself and it's like, what do Croatians really think? And maybe they're just humans like everybody else. So they think about, you know, food, love, weekend plans, and stuff like that. So I'm kind of having a dialogue with myself,
you know what?
throughout these 20 minutes.
The story should be about a murder.
I'm Lucas Paris. I live between Montreal in Canada and Europe, different cities. And I do an audiovisual performance called AntiVolume in Ext that I've been showing internationally. And it's a performance of light and sound, and the two are very synchronized. I work the two at the same time, like synthesis between sound and light. And I improvised live with some controls. And kind of guide all these sound algorithms. And so you have these three columns of light that are in the space when I perform. And the light kind of moves between the columns, and I create these movements in space, which are very similar to this way sound moves in space also. So it's very immersive experience and very physical, and the audience is all around me and the three columns, and so it's really engaged physically with the performance.
Hello, I'm Valentin Durif, so Valentine for you. I'm a French musician and also sound artist, so I make a sound installation. So tonight I'm gonna do a live improvisation performance. So I have like kinetic sculptures, like mobiles, and with motors and microphone. And so I use this metallic sound that I control live, and I play with a little harp and a speaker on top of it. And so I have nothing prepared at all. I will see what's coming to me at the moment. I hope it will look like something people can enjoy. I mean, I want people to be able to be, I don't know, fascinated or mesmerized by by the movement of the thing and to be close to it. And I mean, this is mostly first and foremost music.
Hello, I'm Elio Libaude. I'm from France, in Marseille, the south of France, and all my work talk about biologic technology and collapsology. And today I present a performance, Coccolithes, and it talk about a nanoplankton, Coccolithes. And this nanoplankton creates calcareous rock, and I try to experiment and show the environment of this Coccolithes.